Stop your nonsense. One princess.
And so much Wontumi to be kafa mami one air time. As Penyah of his caliber #1.
To start with, Wontumi near Parliamentarian. Cathedral scandal ni sanyo one. Akufo Addo munye steady because you be free from one be so much.
Abusas of Penyah Prophet Kofi Oduro, Yaa Yeboah, Bulldog, Nana Romeo, and Nana Ziga have opened more fire on Wontumi concerning the arrest here. Ebaya Yokofo ase janon almost tiase David tiase Wontumi de was what Timmy echo jail. In fact, and somebody Omake can be pa. Eda say Wontumi a high Penyah block media. Let's say it. Over like this video, no other room, subscribe button, never click the notification icon for the latest updates. Now back to the wife and their mama, our comments, as much as possible. Watch the video money so any be ashes. And closely 2 weeks, anybody needs to say Wontumi fear I woke in the palace. National Security Council for together with police any other day for alcohol reading the fear. How to in fact it was more than a rumble star. The house raised not any sim commander and no airship. It was so intensive. Emma de chie no Wontumi ankasa eba na ekọ o ma kai so ke eye de no be ready me fie mi ankasa me baba de be se mo de mo family Emma call ye no they detain him or say o mo detain him no Emma na say in few hours no almost setting free but almost setting free now e say Yokofo so abeti chama Yokofo so abeti chama Wontumi edin ko makachi a o mo koro mbo no say one embezzlement of state fund what I say and a destruction of state property. What the galam say yen suoni and sas near the ade. And the business man of contract this on your quine, Sicano, or Boma bar, where your quine any other it almost so equating. I'm watching a question. Manodi for Edward Trentry as a Omontia say how Yoko is a treaty Wontumi no or money in your home any other day until now there be an demonstration against that. Every now and then they were there demonstrating against that. Everyone was about baby good. As I said, Yokofo so ejai chama Wontumi concerning Wontumi arrest any ni release no Anna Prophet Kofi Oduro edin gabe opin more in fact ono di gabe fire minority for na omo demonstrating against Yokofo mpenifo wakoche Wontumi Kofi Oduro ebe fa omo pa kan say omo nyan kwase asem no omo nyai emo Yokofo eni omo adwuma.
Stop your nonsense. One princess. Then where is the rule of law? Me am Jina na police for abeche me. Na alabasta for so no ma be Jina police. Hey police I am premo unim nearby. Pia! Unim nearby. Let this foolish mindset of peace nation disappear. Unim nearby. You pull free unim nearby. So then, why are you there with a blind loyalty? Why? Mama no kure enye adwuma. Atentene me enye adwuma. Pari ye maninya adwuma. Are you hearing me? Yeah! Stop your nonsense. It is just a mudi ye nebe kata no kure ne so. Is that what you want to do? This is how you want to build your nation? They call Europe driving on the they say, the limit is 30. You can't drive more than 30 kilometers in Amsterdam. 30 kilometers. You didn't go. Because we try camera, pump, 200 euros. The next day, 20 better come. The next day, 20 open go to you. It keeps multiplying. Kobe BSI 100. What the upper Cobro 100? Motorway that is connecting Almere and Amsterdam. Catch me, brother. Me dem pay speed. I say yeah. No, yeah. That's why we are 4 days here. We be free. And I got 5,000. Yachiwa. There is not the offer. Yachimi. Yachi when Omachime wa Ama the divisional commander your friend Abuaje. Kaja say open commander Abuaje number. Abuaje, the boy no watch no. Jan man and God. What kind of nonsense is this? What just say? Monyene. Abuaje Jan man and God. Oh Jan man, unim near why. We are the one near why. And this is the thing we are doing. Sorry them, and we are praying. God bless our nation. God does not bless nonsense. Change your mind. Say someone that day. First message Jesus preached: repent. Simply means change your mind.
Now on this issue, Yaa Yeboah, Bulldog, Nana Romeo. Ana nana ziga or in other showbiz omobeki kabipa eda chama Wontumi
ya wo be ye be ma wo ho aye hinti a obi nso feel say onu su be bi owo no pese o kire wo say mesuma ba ne say eye politics na ye ye nim say politics die wo bia e ka dia e be ye ne yonko ya na e be ma ne yonko aye unpopular among the people now waka no they are projecting. There are some statements that I heard Chairman Wontumi make, and I was highly disappointed. In a man of his caliber, number one, baby Ote as the regional chairman of the Ashanti region. And Sembi Waho Kikaya, Sebi Predia Sound. Yaya Yatia Bontia Yenim Yeko, we know what is on the ground. They were utterly distasteful. And yet, Asema Yeka, number one, Efa Obang, the second lady of the land. Then even before Obe called into office as a vice president. And Sema Chema Wontumi to be kafa mami one time. As Penyah of his caliber, number one, and as a regional chairman. As Sebio and Kola Ediasi and Omo Show. Na time. And Sema Okafa, your current president. Mr. John Dramani Mahama ho eka insemi bu ha me du se meka eka say ye Madam Lodina Kodjaso obaye obehu say Sebio. Come on, how do we do such cheap politics? NPP for a titri for where NPP for oma ko school oma jimudo. How do we sit down and we watch Chairman Wontumi degrade the party to this level? How do we sit down and we watch him go about on national television spewing utter nonsense about people that hold class in society, people that are holding office near the idea? Yet Yaka said they be a ne start a program. Topic I had the chassis. Now Ola say we should show respect. We should show respect. If we are preaching to show respect and people that are holding offices are disrespecting people on national television and national radio, now you call and say yeba. Now you call and say yeba. A whole regional chairman sits down on national radio and call a woman a witch. Say we shit na nima was a before. How do you say this? And for na Bonina allegedly almost me patrol hold on. Bonina allegedly almost cancer wayeno. Minya should say no so Minya should say no asem no. So now one cry non-starter. Hey, I feel like that cheap politics never see a jai. I will say a jai. And Matisse Chairman Wontumi say or call for NPP national me patrol. On pebe bintina NPP for delegate for to Abama Chairman Wontumi because Okahu be na NPP way. Oh Empress me view na make me say Chairman Wontumi on pebe bintina. All right the human rights on pebe bintina NPP for Choma delegate be batch Okahu be and na wo mo report all why ye be we cannot say that he's not done anything for the MPP party.
Oh, yes, still
he
regional
has,
chairman.
And I know the or in the regional, no in the regional, but national say MPP better konenim. Na afi 2024 ye pe won mu asebi mpredua omo ti party na say any party no history ye be hold on ye be drive party no amana accord into that success na party ni person wo mu hu na empes mami wie ama wo ma party ni success na e wo so wo mu nya na chairman Wontumi on tenase
say we di Ghana sika no
yesusu
yenye sika mini wo sika
yesusu
sika ya bre omunina. And you know the annoying part in the whole Wontumi case, no? I'm praying say this video goes to Right Honorable Alban Sumani Babin Sumana, right? Sorry, I don't understand how the whole minority because say they will not sit and then Wontumi a parliamentarian
or a chairman, regional chairman.
But it doesn't make sense. All the 80 and not 70 and not 60 so are minority or no micro minority no. In Crawford two abamo so call your government business. I'm hoping say honorable no will have some sort of punishment for them. Because you cannot use our time to go and follow one person. It does not make sense. And somebody like a minority leader no big these are simple things. No. These are simple things and so say no, we cannot leave government business and go and follow somebody. Other people can do it. One shot as Atariano pa one botai so okoye ejuma ma wo constituents no efi ho no di hwan achi. We should be serious in this nation. We should be very, very serious. So I'm hoping say ya more some sort of punishment and I say bibia me feel some way kakra. I'll be a little bit disappointed. Yes, why not? They should hold the yes support. Yes, living good.
But this is not the first time, man.
No, but I don't care whether it's the first or second. There has to be a point where we take this country very seriously. You can do that when you are not in session. Your power no akakoye obi anka say enkoye. Don't use government time. You are not about the taxpayers' money for that day for not sitting. They should be held accountable. That's why I'm using the minority as an example because no one wedding.
Okay, so you are saying in general.
Yeah. Yes.
General.
So whether NDC, whether MPP, whoever it is.
Parliamentary business.
Yes.
Why? So it is not good.
No.
That's fine.
Yes.
Whether so you are condemning it.
Yes. Whether it's NDC or MPP.
Yeah, it's not good. It's true.
You don't leave government business and go and do that. You can do that on your own time. Nobody is saying don't do that, but don't do that with our time. We pay you everything from your dogs to your whatever. We pay everything. So I'm hoping say Right Honorable be the honorable thing. No on site some BB say one to me and you BB cry. This is the first time it should be use so much precedence. So don't do that again. It shouldn't happen. Because to start with, Chairman Wontumi parliamentarian. I'm going to say show solidarity in that time. Government business. So I'll go again and commend Raymond Archer for the good job he's doing on any team. And there are more things to come. Because Yaa himself, alleged corruption cases are eguno. Every cathedral scandal ni sanyo Akufo Addo munye steady because you be free from one so much. Obia everybody. Okay. Because me share honorable Igbe onusu a lot of revelations. Hey. Daddy Nyankopon enshaw ejuma pa wo ye ama oman we.
Deal.
Preacher. Omu nyina obi a ne ho ewo mu yen yusu aban let's use the law. I know near buying.
I know.
Here reconciliation. Now come back assembly, but my media asma make because of where Bulldog is coming from.
Okay.
We need reconciliation after every election. The idea President Kofi Oduro reconciliation by any chese. Oba na Ghana nipa ediyaw tiniu nipa diyaw pa ya jijibu meja pade ya keka nsem bi ya fa nipa bi ya senkofo no ma so eti ebiema mo bia ba be kanasem na ya wa free nipa ne mu and a reconciliation commission nso no ye de mra na ye enact in parliament eti ebetimi amend no na yaka say in every election year after transition yenya reconciliation for 1 week.
Okay.
Ebetimi aboa. What about the question make us? The member of parliament, Edema Efijase Asokore Efijase, Honorable Dr. Yaa Yeboah firé. When the chairman Wontumi ne kona krana, omuni na support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign. O say, as a chairman Wontumi pa President Mahama Chow. It is coming from somebody who is an NPP person.
Okay.
Was it chairman Wontumi pa President Mahama Chow?
Sure.
Na menene ya adwene say as a chairman Wontumi pa President Mahama Chow.
I didn't.
Aha, good. Timi. Dedikai. The Kosuninan is being informed by Tetinome bi ayaye.
The Kosu.
Yes. I'm not talking about the charges. And the castle of President Mahama Chow. It is not about say on panechonian for the charges. No. And that's how you but a normal na ekoso tie. Dedi kan Ushe Napo. How Napo was invited. We could have invited Chairman Wontumi the same. And the bill na ya de match Chairman Wontumi. The 500 million old currency or 50 million the new currency. They say asset no as I say the ban should be asset to 20 our Greater Accra.
Oh, okay.
Not Ghana because Yoko is for this country. But the asset, yes, so they were finding it difficult to meet the demands.
Oh wow.
Jamaican watch I say. The back and forth I hear dinano. Okay, Ghana Constitution Article 14 clause 4. 14 clause 4. HN say se wodu obi ekokosha wuchi obi e de no ko jail and I say security agency be invite no ese se wo arrange the pado 48 hours for the court so 48 hours ne buy no chema Wontumi no da so dem so ontimi meet that is what the constitution says ontimi fa the court ya anya ne sa why because this country everybody has a score to settle with ubia. People are setting scores. That is my opinion.
You are talking to me.
People are setting scores. When I'm a catcher, their cost to deny a score to settle. Ubi obe catcher is a score to settle. Apart from saying the case the down. I said Professor Akufo Addo case. My topoku prempe. We caught twice. Men who so caught Yoko. Good. Quiet. But how come to about Wontumi? Who bad quotia? Ye by election ya kasa dodo. Ye by election ya kasa too much. Misinform what?
O se me kasa muslim ye mpacho. One asem we amuka.
Misinform what?
Mpacho me bawo. Asem we ayeke. Mu ayesta me bawo. Mu ye start as a muslim person mu be court. So I'm guiding you so you don't go there.
He said share their work.
Your kind mpacho what he wants to say. Ne say although say Mr. Wontumi aye problem owo assembly ewo issue no yes sena Yoko treaty no enye sa because omo personal score to settle me see mpacho
that is my opinion as a Ghanaian. And then I be the politics me see people have score to settle with people. One
alleged
people have score to settle with people.
Alleged.
That's what I see things. Let me tell you something. Sure, you be election kasa you too much. Your politics not say too much about this country. How come Chairman Wontumi? Chairman, I would die NPP. New Patriotic Party, who can New York Times for say, one of the greatest political organized corporate political party NDC can because was a founder NDC the Nipa Bakuleti. But one of the greatest political parties in Africa, ANC, New Patriotic Party come. None of stronghold the chairman at the radio to say President Mahama 7 previous hour now no Can
you imagine
the girlfriend?
Also, I want the secret on your friend say
on national radio
with no
radio
with no facts. They did not get anybody. So the catcher call say I didn't know where you Ghana politics.
People told him, but he just.
And to say as much as you do not back it to any documents.
I cannot be all. Like I can't meet me. I can say there was a me ametaka say on my way ye di watching. Na the entire money ye di watching. He said, "Oh here the air course now." And my who said we have a long way to go because MPP ni NDC for yina na air kasa say yensio say. And he said, "Mrano asobi pa na ye de kwadu abone say yususu say and namoswama yensio say that I'm say activities and afi etoma we mu na yina yesu say enipa binum edi oman ni sika nti e wo say mrane omudi na ye de kwadu abo enipa bi na emra aso nipa na pa migidi say wo say nki allow mrano because ya na yetaka wo man we mu say obi ani ho a oye above the law this obi anya above the law there ene ade ntina semra eso obi mu a yesi ye ntiase na ya bodompem akogu ba bi a ye di nipa na kono trying to say sa nipa ne de ono no oboro mra no so ana. I just want to find out because
you go for charges galamse nka
no me ba
galamse ni CI
no me say issues no ni nyina say ye kan nyina say nye yoko nko say CID for so invite ye ko ni fie ye ko ye no na oni ho ye omonya no me bo say it boils down to when nyina the babisi yoko nti me kan nyina bom nti me kan ko si say enye sure say o my way no emra na fere nkrofo bi ana say emra na suro nkrofo bi. You see, anything I am a francophone countries no. I heard you do before complain. Nkaba now finance minister no wabada dada. But when say Ghana hano, ye pass him surasem. I say ye be yade no but ye san suro. And humobro ye mu too much. On my way on individuals as sika show moto no. Senka nyame bie ye ni ama ye hunu nkrofo bi o mte o man Ghana sika so a nka ye mmobosia da nka enough say de behwe ho because almighty say Burkina Faso awo mu ne epo ho awo mu hye da ni bi papa bia wo na papa yi baaye o su ye nkoje bosia wabrofo ya ye de kwia ene no makakra wo de behwe oman no amampa ekoso a na oman Ghana ye wo natural resources ye wo epo hwe aman atwa ho ahia omoba beyi cars wa de ko o de Burkina nkwa sika krom de Ghana say sika we nkwa say timi constructing from Ghana to Burkina border ai ni kwa say complaining po but sika na ko di nkrofo bi ho NDC ba power na say we bia MPP take over na ye try say bia nkrofo bi suspect say sika ko di omho a ye si dabi the same way MPP so ba power no co position na ye suspect say nkrofo bi sika ko di omo na ye twe omo a ye si dabi nti MPP ba o si ye peso ye yo man ni ye o peso yo man ni ye bibia si na ye tu anamo a mo si buei na mo ja parliament abetena form na eno ne be ma nipa no mra ne be ja na I don't understand say emra chi obi ye de na ko yoko mo se mo ntiase nti mo rally abetena ho abegina gate ye mie na mu wura mo nko yi nipa no mra na nti e basa na are you trying to tell say memeti we say metimi abo Ghana krono na menya Bulldog ene olamo agina machi na yakase odabi omi ode ye mpene mu nyinimra na che so obi abetumi
Radio Mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media.